Okay guys, I've been asked many times about feeding odd stuff to the fish. And yeah, these fish will eat almost anything. Yesterday I fed them, yesterday or 2 days ago, guts from a duck. And they ate it. Before that I fed them guts from a chicken. You just gotta chop it up, they'll eat it, they'll eat anything. Unfortunately with the duck, there was a bit of fat in there to turn the water really ugly, really quick. Yeah, I had to do a water change. So that was a bad idea. But they ate it. So, today, I have this. Where is it? Might be a little disgusting to some, but it's a dead baby bird. I don't know the name of this bird. It's a really nice bird, actually. Got a yellow beak. In the morning I found a sparrow, and they're a lot smaller. And tonight I found this guy. I gave them the sparrow, they ate it like mad. They're crazy. Also found an earthworm. I pulled the fish right out of the water with the worm. Look at that, huh? What? Pulled his leg off. Goodbye, little fishy, or little birdie. Now that might be gross to some, but that's a bird I found on the road, actually in the grass beside the house. So it was either let the cat find it, or the dog, or put it in the compost, which I normally do. So we have a lot of birds around here, so it happens. Or feed it to the fish. Wow, it made them crazy, didn't it? Now there's lots of cool videos on YouTube of wild catfish, or fish in general, but a lot of catfish catching birds and eating them. Live birds. Pretty cool. And just think, I fed these fish 15 minutes ago. Just a sprinkle. Now that's exciting as a baby bird. Alright guys, feeding dead birds to catfish. Exciting night there in the jungle. Found another baby bird. Don't know what's going on with these babies, why so many dead ones on the ground, or where they're coming from. It's got no eyes. Maybe ants ate it, I don't know. Let's see what the fish think. Do a little zoom. Boy! Look at that, they're coming right out of the water. Oh, it's gone. They came right out of the water. I got a wing. Come and get the wing. Nobody wants the wing. It's sinking. And that's it. Bye bye, baby bird. And you know, they eat the bones and everything. I never find any bones in there. They're like vultures. Looking for another one. Must be another one. I can smell it. I can smell it. There's another one. Poor baby bird, but not gone to waste. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Okay guys, found some kind of a weird bug. He's dead but still moving. Inch and a quarter long. When I hit him in the head, there was blood going everywhere. So let's feed them to the fish, see what they do. Just going to check it in and let them fight for it. Oh, well, that was pretty much nothing. He's going. Let's give him some real food. Can't tease him with one bug. There was a bug in the food, so a bonus. You see the big guy swimming around? He's eating a lot today. It was cold again last night, so in the morning they didn't eat. But I fed them about 2 hours ago, maybe only an hour ago. Vegetarian fish. They normally just eat the roots. There's a bird dancing on the roof.